Ever found yourself staring at a screen, numbers blurring, trying to figure out the value of something that seems to shift like sand? Yeah, me too. Especially when we're talking about the wild world of cryptocurrency. You've probably heard someone throw around terms like market cap, volatility, and exchange rates, and it can all feel like a foreign language. But today, we're going to break down one specific question that's been on a lot of people's minds. How much is USD to rocket? Now, before we jump into the numbers, let's establish some context. When we talk about rocket, we're generally referring to a cryptocurrency token. And like any cryptocurrency, its value is constantly changing. It's not like the dollar, which, while subject to inflation and other economic factors, maintains a relatively stable value within its own ecosystem. Cryptocurrencies are different. They're driven by supply and demand, speculation, and a whole host of other factors that can make their prices fluctuate wildly. Think of it like this. Imagine you're at an auction for a rare collectible. The price starts low, but as more people get interested, the price goes up. If someone suddenly announces that the collectible is even rarer than previously thought, the price might skyrocket. Conversely, if rumors start circulating that the collectible is a fake, the price could plummet. That's essentially what happens with cryptocurrencies. So, when we ask, how much is USD to rocket, we're really asking, what's the current exchange rate between the US dollar and the rocket token? And that exchange rate is going to change, sometimes dramatically, from one minute to the next. To get a real-time view of this information, it is very important to use a real-time data source. Sites that are very useful for this are CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Coinbase. These sites provide up-to-date information on cryptocurrency pricing. Here's a breakdown of some key things to consider. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility. This means that their prices can go up or down very quickly. This makes it difficult to predict the exact exchange rate at any given moment. Factors that can affect the price of rocket include market sentiment, news events, changes in regulations, trading volume, exchange rates. The exchange rate between USD and rocket is constantly changing. You can find the current exchange rate on cryptocurrency exchange websites and tracking websites. It is very important to know that the exchange rate can vary slightly between different exchanges. Market capitalization. Market capitalization is the total value of all rocket tokens in circulation. It's calculated by multiplying the current price of rocket by the total number of tokens in circulation. Market capitalization can give you an idea of the overall size and stability of the rocket market. Trading volume. Trading volume is the total number of rocket tokens that have been traded in a given period. High trading volume can indicate strong interest in rocket. Low trading volume can mean that there is less interest and that the price may be more susceptible to large swings. Now, let's talk about why this matters. Why do people care about the USD to rocket exchange rate? Investment. Many people invest in cryptocurrencies in the hopes of making a profit. Understanding the exchange rate is essential for making informed investment decisions. If you're considering buying rocket, you'll want to know how much it costs in USD. Trading. Cryptocurrency traders buy and sell cryptocurrencies to profit from short-term price fluctuations. Traders need to keep a close eye on the exchange rate to identify potential trading opportunities. Transactions. Some businesses and individuals use cryptocurrencies to make transactions. In these cases, the exchange rate is used to determine the value of the transaction. As cryptocurrency becomes more accepted, this will become more and more important. It's also important to be aware of the risks involved in investing in cryptocurrencies. The market is highly speculative, and there's always the potential to lose money. Do your research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. When looking at the value of any cryptocurrency, remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. What was true yesterday, or even an hour ago, may not be true now. This is a very fast-moving market. In conclusion, the USD to rocket exchange rate is a dynamic figure that's constantly changing. To find the most up-to-date information, rely on reputable cryptocurrency exchange websites and tracking platforms. And remember to approach cryptocurrency investments with caution and a clear understanding of the risks involved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.